In this video, we're going to cover how to organize model groups as well as control which 3D models are loaded in the 3D viewer. If we come over here to the File Explorer, we can see that I've added a folder called Assembly Models, and I've added a series of IFC files to the Trimble Connect project. When those IFC files were added, it then showed and added those to a model group called Imported on the date that they were imported. Now what I want to do is I want to actually organize these into different model groups so that way it's easy to navigate and get to the specific models that I'm looking for. This is especially useful when the folder structure might be multiple layers deep and you don't exactly see where all of the 3D model files are loaded. Model groups allows you to create an organized, simple view or hierarchy of the 3D models only. Now let's go ahead and load the 3D viewer. We can either do this by pressing the View button here in the Models list, or we can press the 3D View tab. Now at this time, there are currently no models displayed or loaded here in the 3D viewer. If we load up the Structural button by pressing the checkbox next to the model name, we can then easily see those models are loaded. It's faster to simply hide models by pressing the eyeball icon for the visibility rather than loading and unloading the complete model. Rather than using the Imported on 6/23/2016 name for the model group, let's go ahead and rename this model group, and we'll call this Design Models. Then what we're going to do is for this additional model group, we're going to go ahead and call this Assemblies. Models inside of model groups can be easily loaded holistically by checking or unchecking the entire group name. Notice here that the structural and architectural model are completely unloaded here from the 3D viewer when I press the Design Models checkbox. Now let's show how to create a new group. We'll call this Vertical Braces. Then here I can go ahead and move this group by just dragging it, and now it's before the Assemblies group. Then we'll just select this A1 model and move it into the Vertical Braces. So this shows you how easy it is to create new groups and move models easily between different groups.